welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today we are going to make Aloo ki Sukhi Sabzi, which is dry potato vegetable. It is a perfect lunchbox recipe or when you want to make something instant. So now let's proceed. So guys, for this recipe you're going to need about 6 to 7 medium-sized potato. This is the size which I've taken. Then I've boiled the potato, peeled the skin and roughly chopped them up. Then you're going to need about 6 mild green chilies, which I have sliced like this. So you can see I've sliced them like this. Then you're going to need 1 large onion, which again I have chopped it up. It comes to about 1 cup. 20 curry leaves, which is curry patta, 1/8 cup of dhania, which is cilantro, half teaspoon of jeera, which is cumin seeds, half teaspoon of rye, which is mustard seeds, half teaspoon of haldi, which is turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, pinch of hing, which is asafoetida, and 1/4 cup of oil. And that is about it. So now let's begin our process. So now guys, in a kadai I've added some oil, which is nice and hot now. So I'm going to add the rye, which is mustard seeds. And now that it's sizzling, let's add some jeera, which is cumin seeds, followed by the curry patta, which is curry leaves, and the hing, which is asafoetida, and the green chilies. Let's give it a quick stir. And now let's add the turmeric. Again, give it a quick stir. And then let's add the diced chopped onions. And for the onions to cook fast, let's add some salt, mix it all in, and then cover it up and let the onions get cooked for the next 3 to 4 minutes. And guys, if you do like my recipe, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to be first to watch my future videos. And it's free. So why wait? And now let's proceed. After 3 minutes, our onions look a little cooked. So now let's add the roughly chopped potatoes. And nicely mix it all in. And once mixed, let's just cover it up and cook it for 2 minutes on a low flame. After 2 minutes, let's remove the lid, add the dhania, which is cilantro, nicely mix it all in. It's smelling amazing over here, guys. I can't tell you, but it's such a simple dish. Soulful, you know, soulful. Really nice dish. Tastes really good with chapati, just like plain rice and dal. Yum. And we are done. Let's turn the flame off and remove it in a serving plate or a bowl. Isn't it looking absolutely mouth-watering, guys? I know it is. So just go ahead and make it this weekend, and I absolutely cannot resist it, so I am digging in. Simple ingredients, few ingredients, absolutely delicious. Do make it, do let me know what you think about it. Do subscribe if you like this recipe. And when you like this recipe, you're definitely going to like this one, as well as this one. So do click on these links. And don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family. And you take care. Bye-bye.